Good morning, students. First of all, a very warm welcome to this new session of Class 3. My name is Sukanya Das and I will be taking your mathematics class. We will start our first topic, that is numbers to 10,000, which will be our introduction to 5-digit numbers. Let's begin our topic with a simple question that may arise in your mind, that why should we study numbers? Why there is a need to study numbers? We should study numbers because numbers are present all over the world. And in our day-to-day life, whatever work we do, we need numbers. Let's say, for example, when we wake up in the morning with the alarm clock, that clock itself works on number. Then we all have got calendars at our home where we see the date. That date is what? It's actually numbers, right? Then see, the food we eat or the clothes we wear all comes with a price, and that has got price tag. In that price tag, the digits are written from where we get the numbers, that how much is the cost. So there we need numbers, there we have numbers. Then in our day-to-day life we may come across with some questions like what is the average speed given by a particular bike or a car, then the distance traveled by a car, and the list goes on. The cell phone we use nowadays is based on numbers, the video games we play, and the list is on. So that is why numbers are so much important. Now we will move to our topic from the next video. Let's begin with our first topic, that is numbers to 10,000. This is basically an introduction to 5-digit numbers. Since 10 now you have studied about 4-digit numbers, from this session we will start this 5-digit number. Now in order to study 5-digit number, the basic thing that we already know is place value. So what is a place value? Place value tells the location of a digit, that is where does the digit lies in a numeral, right? And we already know about place value chart. Place value chart shows the position of a digit in a numeral. Now this is how a normal place value charts look like. It has got 4 periods: ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Now let's try to understand each periods one by one. First, ones. Ones consist of all the single digits number. That is, ones is a house or a place where all the single digits stays. That are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 9. All these digits stays in ones. Now when it comes to 10, after 9, 10 we place it under tens period, because this is 2-digit number. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 till 99, all the digits are under tens. Or we can say that when ones get converted to tens when we multiply the step with 10. Each digit when we multiply with 10 we get 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 till 99, all the digits comes under 10. Or in another word we can say that, let's suppose this is a box this is a single box which comes under ones. So how many boxes will be there in case of tens? Multiply by 10. So this multiply by 10 means 10 such boxes will be there when we come to tens. So like this way there will be 10 such boxes. Now let's move to another place value, which is 100. When we move from 10 to 100, again we multiply it by 10. So here all the 3 digits numbers stay. That is, after 99 we have got 100. So this will start from 101, 202, 103, 4. So till 999 all the digits lives under 100 place. And if we come to these boxes, this 10 multiply by 10 boxes multiply by 10 boxes will give us 100 such boxes. Now let's move to 1000. When we go from here to 1000, from 100 to 1000, again we multiply it with 10. Then all the 4 digits number comes and stay over here. That is from 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, and so till 9999, means all the 4 digit number stay in this place. Now after 9999, if we add 1 to this number, we get a number which is no longer a 4 digit number. It becomes a 5 digit number, and that's why it cannot stay here in 1000 place. So it has to shift to another place, which is the 10,000 place. So this consists of 5 digit number, and this starts with 10,000, then comes to 10,001, 10,002 till 99,999. So these are the 5 digit number which comes under the period 10,000 in the place value chart. And when from 1000, if we want to come to 10,000, again we have to multiply all the digits that are present in 1000 with 10. So our 5 digit number starts with 10,000. Now here we can see we have put a comma here, right, between the 100 place and the 1000 place. Basically, when we write the numbers, we use commas, and when we read a number, we read it by using the periods like this. So when we are writing a number, we are using comma between the 100 place and the 1000 place, and when we write it 10,000, we use the period. This is how we are supposed to write a 5 digit number. Now here we have seen that 99,999 is the last number that will be there in 10,000 place. In the house of 10,000, this is the last number, means this is the largest 5 digit number. So 99,999 is the largest 5 digit number. If this is the largest 5 digit number, what will be the smallest 5 digit number? Obviously 10,000 is the smallest 5 digit number. So 10,000 is the smallest 5 digit number. So let us revise once again. A 5 digit number is a number where we have got 5 digits, and here we represent this number putting a comma between the 100 place and the 1000 place, and when we write it with the period. And 99,999 is the largest 5 digit number, whereas 10,000 is the smallest 5 digit number. Now let's practice some questions in order to revise whatever we have studied till now. The first question we have is, write the numerals of the following numbers. Number A is 84,376. Now in order to answer these kind of question, it is very much important to first write this place value chart in a rough way, and then we will fill these places. So this is the answer that we are getting, that is 84,376, and then we are putting a comma over here between the 100 and the 1000 place, since this is how we are supposed to write a 5-digit number. Let's move to number B. Number B is 91,200. Again we will make a place value like this, and then we will fill up these blank. So this is 91,200. So 200, nothing else is given, so this will be 200. So if we write it, it will be 91,200. Now question number 2 is write the number names of the following numbers. Number A is 72,625. Since we are doing these questions for the first time, it is very much important to write these place values on the top of the numbers for our own convenience, and then we will write it like this. So this is how we will write it, 72,625. Here we have another one. This is again for our convenience, we will write these place values on the top of the numbers. So this is 80,902. 80,902. Now let's move to another concept of standard form and expanded form. Under standard form we write a number like this, 45,672, and under expanded form we write it along with their place values, that is 4 is at 40,000 place, so we will write it 40,000. Then the digit 5 is at 1000 place, so we will write it like this. 6 is at 100 place, so we will write 600, plus 7 at tens place, that's why 70, plus 2. Let's move on to another one, 71,934. So we will write 70,000 plus 1,000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 4. So this is how we write standard form and the expanded form.